What if you could turn any video or audio into searchable, editable, and summarized text in seconds? In 2025, the best AI transcription tool isn't just about accuracy, it's about smart features that save you hours. Transcribing audio and video used to be a headache, slow, tedious, and often inaccurate. Whether you're a content creator, student, or professional, you've probably spent way too much time scrubbing through footage or struggling to make sense of long interviews. In this video, I'll show you the best AI transcription tool that has everything you need in one place. I am talking about Vidtext.ai. It's more than just a transcription tool. It's your all-in-one content processing assistant, packed with AI-powered features that completely change the game. Let's explore the standout features of Vidtext.ai and see them in action. I have added the link in the description. You can try it for free. Once you're logged in, you see an interface like this. Let's go over some of its key features. Multi-source transcription. Starting with multi-source transcription. Simply upload a local file, record directly within the platform or import from the link like YouTube, Drive, or pretty much any link. Multi-language support. Working with content in various languages? Vidtext.ai supports over 100 languages. Select any language or choose the auto-detect option. Speaker identification. In scenarios like interviews or panel discussions, Vidtext.ai's speaker identification feature distinguishes between different voices. If you have multiple speakers, you can simply check the Recognize Speaker option. You can also transcribe the original audio language to English. Next, AI-powered summarization. Dealing with lengthy transcripts. Vidtext AI's AI-powered summarization condenses content into key points. Don't have time to read a full transcript? Let the AI give you a concise summary, just the key takeaways, perfect for quick reviews or creating show notes. Mind map generation. This is where it gets visual. Vidtext.ai transforms your transcript into a mind map. See your ideas and content flow laid out visually, ideal for brainstorming, presentations, or study. I'll generate for this one. To be honest, it's my favorite feature. It just gave me a beautiful illustration of the whole video, really impressive. Next is text-to-video sync. Click on any sentence in the transcript and jump to that exact moment in the video. It's like having a search engine for your footage. Editable transcripts. Need to tweak a word or fix a name? You can edit directly within the transcript. It's fast, intuitive, and perfect for polishing content. Multiple export formats. Export your transcript as TXT, SRT, DOCX, or even extract the audio or video. Whatever your workflow, it fits right in. Picture-in-picture mode. For multitaskers, the picture-in-picture mode is invaluable. Watch your video while following along with the transcript, side by side. Whether you're a podcaster needing accurate show notes, a student summarizing lectures, or a professional documenting meetings, Vidtext.ai caters to all. Its versatility makes it an essential tool across various fields. Click the link in the description to start your journey towards effortless transcription. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.